Hi guys, this is Megan. I wanted to show you a really quick method for being able to use your Instapot to make boiled eggs that peel super easily. So what I call this is the 5-5-5 method. You're gonna cook your eggs for 5 minutes, you're gonna let them steam for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna put them into an ice bath for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, and I'm gonna also show you how easily they peel. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have our Instapot here. There's lots of different kinds. This is the Ninja one. We're gonna add a cup to a cup and a half of water into the bottom of it. And then we're gonna take one of these little steamer baskets. There's silicone ones, there's lots of different ones. This is just the one we have. Open it up, stick it in the inside, and then we're gonna take our eggs and put them in the steamer basket. So I have my eggs in there, and then I'm just gonna put, the Ninja one has 2 lids. So you're gonna put your lid on, seal it, and then all of them have a little toggle switch that say vent or seal. So we want it to be set to seal. And then we're gonna cut it on. We're gonna hit pressure, and it's high pressure, and then we're gonna hit it for 5 minutes. And now what it's gonna do, is it's going to heat up. It's going to take a couple of minutes, depending on how much water's in there, to come to temperature. And this will start steaming, and then it'll seal off, and then it's going to automatically do the countdown for 5 minutes. Then when it finishes, it's going to beep, and it'll say keep warm, and that's when you're going to let it count back up to 5 more minutes. That's your steaming 5 minutes. And then we're going to take them out, and we're going to put them into our ice bath after them. So we're going to let this go, and then I'll show you once they're out of the ice bath what it looks like. Okay, so our eggs sat in the ice water for about 5 minutes, and you can see I have my helpers here peeling the eggs, and you see how easy that shell just came off for Hunter. It doesn't mess up the whites. And you, look at yours. Everybody's doing such a good job. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see, and I hope this helps you. Stay healthy.